Alright, we did a bit of a switcheroo here. We got the 3070 and the 1105 back up here out of the shop down there. And as you'll see in a minute, we've moved a couple other tractors down there. Alright, we're down at the workshop here. We got the 1135 in. Got a few little minor things to do to it, just in preparation of it going down the road come spring here to a new owner. Not 100% sure what he wants to do to it. He said he had a couple things I can't think of off the top of my head. But we also brought the 6710 Agco White over. We got some new parts coming in the next couple weeks for it. Got some new parts there this week for it. We got the paint in. What else did we get? A few other things, I can't name them all. Throttle cable and some other stuff, but we changed the cab air filter up there. That was pretty brutal. There's pictures of that on my Facebook and Instagram if you want to check that out. We ordered a fender, that's on the way to replace this rotten one. Still working on the exhaust stack, but now that it's over here, we have the torch and stuff so we can get that old one off. And then we can get that muffler off too and have a look at that. Not too much else going on with it. Oh, we just got some bonus light. But yeah, hopefully within the next few weeks we'll start painting the fenders and the hood and stuff on it. And we got the stickers and everything ready for it too, so we'll be replacing those. And it should look pretty sharp for the spring anyway. I don't know how good it's going to work out. It's still got some issues. We were trying to figure out why it's so jumpy on the foot throttle. Maybe if Farming for Generations is watching, you could tell me if yours is bad like that too, or if it's just the spring in mine or something. But like, you can control it with the hand throttle fine, but if you control it with the foot throttle, it's just super sensitive and super jumpy. Like, I don't know if it's just not stiff enough or what, but yeah, maybe you could tell me if yours is like that, or maybe it's just mine. So anywho, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.